What's up, everyone? So we're seeing some sell-off for the past couple days. The market just takes 2 steps forward and 1 step backward, meaning market will trend higher and higher, then we'll see a pause, then we'll see a pullback for profit taking, and the market takes a leg up again. I think we're going to continue to see this because I can't find any major reasons why the market has been down the past several trading days. I do think there is some positive news and positive headlines that we're in the midst of right now. From a macro perspective, I do think President Biden's stimulus money is going into the right place. Why am I talking about this? For one, stay calm. There's nothing to be fear of a market crash. A correction? Possibly. With the recent dips, it actually presents a buying opportunity on some of the stocks. In this video, I will provide an update on some of the stocks that I had made a recommendation on in the past. I will cover only the stocks that I have positioned in and provide an update on price prediction and what I've been doing. So stick around. Swadikap, that's hello in Thai, and welcome to Quantum Finance. My name is Anthony, and I'm a former engineer and data analytics turned entrepreneur and investor. My prior career, I was very successful in creating predictive models for Fortune 500 companies in Silicon Valley using historical data to predict future outcomes. I applied my knowledge to my own portfolio, and in the past 12 months, grew it more than 550%. In this channel, I focus on high growth and disruptive technology stocks for short-term momentum trades and long-term investments. If you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back and thank you for your support. Please help us grow this channel by hitting the sub button below. Make sure to hit the notification button so you get my latest video update. While you're at it, do hit and like and share the video. I will see you down there. Please note that this video is for entertainment purpose only. I'm not licensed. However, that does not mean that I won't present you with facts and trading ideas that will supercharge up your portfolio. No BS and straight to the point. So let's get right into it. Before I start, I'd like to remind everyone to do your own due diligence on any of the stocks you plan to trade or invest in. The list I'm about to talk about are by no means a recommendation to buy or sell. These are the 5 stocks in my portfolio that I'm sharing with you. Some of these stocks are my 10x bagger stocks. I will do another video follow-up on other stocks at a later time, but for now, let's focus on these 5. With that out of the way, let's get right into it. First up is CCIV. I know everyone's been asking, why didn't I provide the price prediction on the last video titled CCIV Lucid merger deal is near? Well, I actually did, but didn't talk about it. I thought it would be interesting to see how many viewers actually caught it in the video. It is at the 1 minute and 32 second mark. On Thursday of last week, I predicted that there would be a breakout above the $35 level. If confirmed, it would trade in the $40 to $45 range. On Tuesday, February 16, 2021, CCIV would be trading between $55 and $65 range this week. It will continue its run up to $65 and $75 after the official merger announcement is made. I do anticipate a dip for profit taking and a bumpy ride as it continues its climb. Many are asking if I'll be selling my CCIV stock soon. If you believe in Lucid Motors' future and its ability to compete in the EV space successfully, the answer is no. I'm long in CCIV or Lucid Motors. I believe it still has some room to grow, so throw out the evaluation. It doesn't make any sense at this point. Yes, it is overvalued since Lucid has not sold a single EV. Once it starts delivering its EV this spring, trust me, the stock will continue to rise again. I will be cost averaging in and buying call options for the next play on CCIV stock. Next stock is Iqst Inc. or Iqst. This is an international provider of telecom technology, fintech, and blockchain solutions. Congrats to everyone who got in on Iqst along with me. Since the time I suggested Iqst to the quantum finance community on February 7, 2021, when it was just trading at 71 cents, I made a prediction that there would be a breakout above the $1 mark and that my price target for this one would be between $2 and $3 range. As of today, it closed down at $1.33. It had gained a whopping 87%. It was over 105.61% yesterday. I did pick up more shares today. I did pick up more shares today. Next is Square or SQ. This is the fintech company. On February 7th, I made a suggestion to the quantum finance community to get in on SQ stock when it was trading at the $240.38 range. I predicted that it will have a breakout above the $245 range and that my price target was about $285 to $290 range. As of today, it closed at $270.85. I do have to disclose that I've been long in SQ since it was in the $30 range. This is one of my many 10x bagger stock, guys. The next stock is also one of my many 10x bagger stock. It is EXP World Holdings or EXPI. It's a technology real estate company. On January 24th, I made a video to recommend EXPI. At the time, it was trading $102.92. The recommendation was based based on a 2-for-1 split announcement. We know from Tesla and Apple that the stock would run up significantly before the split, and after the split the stock would dip. This is a classic buy on the rumors and sell on the news trade. Anyway, my initial price prediction was that it would run to about $115 to $125 price target. Guess what? EXPI blew past it. It went to as high as $180. Since its split, it has dipped due to profit taking. It is now trading at $68.71 post-split. That's about $137.42 if you didn't split the price. Now's a good time to get in my opinion, if you have not already done so. It might dip some more and may continue to trade sideways a little bit to consolidate and build its base before the next launch for its next momentum run. I do have to disclose that I have been long in this stock since it was in the $8 range and have been cost averaging ever since. This has been a 17x bagger for me. Next is Tesla Enterprise or TSNP, which is merging with Humble. On February 7th, when it was at the $1.38, I did state that it went parabolic and that there are 3 scenarios that could happen. 1, it could dip and retest the support level at $1.05 before it bounced back. Or 2, if it breaks through that $1.05 support level, it will retest the next support level at the 93 cents. And at 3, that it could trade sideways for a while and continue its run up. On the following day, on February 8th, the stock went up to an all-time high at $1.93 and closed at $1.71. Since then, it has started to dip as traders started to take profit. It did form a descending pendant triangle, and I was wrong to think that it would bounce back at that point. The sell-off continued. Note that the overall market is also in the sell-off mode, so I'm not too worried about this. Today, TSNP closed at 70.53 cents. It did bounce off the 73 cent support level. I do think the sell-off will slow down, and as of today, I picked up a couple thousand shares. Since the MACD lines have crossed to the bearish territory, I could see that it could dip some more before its rebound. The good news is that the stock has closed its gap. What do I mean by this? Anytime the stock that has gap up, it is most likely that it will come down to close that gap. In this case, TSP has closed its gap. Therefore, I do foresee a potential reversal in its course very soon. It will retest the various resistance level, in particular the $1.26 level, which is the strongest resistance level since it once served as the strongest support level. Once it passes through that, it is easier for it to move up further. The next news catalyst will be the completion of the merger and having the ticker symbol change from TSNP to HMBL. For the short term, my price target still holds at $2 and $2.33 area. As more and more investors become aware of Humble, I do believe this stock will continue to become a 10x bagger as I have predicted. I am very bullish and long on TSNP. So there you have it. If you find the content of value, please leave a comment below. Do share, like, and subscribe if you have not already done so. Also hit the notification bell for my next video. Now let's go make some moolahs.